Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you need IT consulting, go to williehowe.com, click the Hire Us button, or fill out or click the Contact Us link. They both take you to the contact form. Fill it out, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Now, this was not going to be my next video in the series of how to host your own email, but it is now going to be that video. And I've had a lot of email and a lot of questions about why am I not just using regular Synology Mail Server? Why am I going to use Mail Server Plus? Because Mail Server basically has unlimited licenses, and with MailPlus Server you have to get licenses. Now, I'm going to pull this up over here. Now, normally, I like to make those cool spreadsheets that show us, the differences between software or hardware or whatever. But in this case, Synology has done it themselves. So over here on the left, you have Mail Server, and then on the right, you have MailPlus Server. Every Synology NAS gets 5 free licenses of MailPlus, and you can buy more. And with Mail Server, you don't need licenses. But let's look at the differences here. So with Mail Server Plus, you get HA, you get mail migration, right? So if I'm moving away from Office 365 or some other platform, I can do an import right through the Synology MailPlus server. I can have multiple domains with MailPlus, which is important to me. I own several domains that will be onboarded onto the Synology. MailPlus Server has Threat Monitor. So you can see, I'm going to leave a link to this down below, but let's talk about some of the the main things, right? So relay control you have with MailPlus Server. You don't have that with Mail Server. Relay exceptions, sender policy, connection policy. All right, under security, spam auto learning. So it has some basic with the regular Mail Server, but then you have advanced. Update scheduling for anti-spam rules and antivirus definitions. You can see all of that comes with the MailPlus. You can do custom actions on infected messages, DKIM. So we can kind of look at that. Maybe under audit, mail search, usage analysis, log management. These are all things that if you're going to do this for certain types of businesses, you are going to have that. And then you've got user policies, delegation. So delegation, being able to send, receive as other mailboxes. You can have mailbox quotas, delete mailbox in batches. Under the client, you've got full text search, only works under MailPlus, attachment download link. Here's the other cool thing, right? So I'm running Synology Calendar, Contacts, Chat, and Office. And the MailPlus server integrates with all of those. So I have an entire collaboration suite. And then also there is a MailPlus app that you can install on iOS and Android, and it works with the MailPlus server. So you can see there are a lot of advantages. Now here's another question. Can you start with just the Mail Server, and if you decide that this is right for you, upgrade to MailPlus? And yes, you can. It looks like there are 7 steps within the same NAS. And then there are another 7 steps if you're migrating from one NAS to another. So this is why I am going to run the MailPlus server, because of all of the advantages here. Now, I probably am not going to have to go past the 5 free licenses, but we'll talk about the cost of that when we get to building the MailPlus server in the next couple videos. So I hope this answers the question why I am using the MailPlus server instead of just the Mail server. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment, share. Please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Those links are all down below. If you'd like to support the channel by becoming a patron on Patreon or using our Amazon affiliate links that are clearly marked down below, those are all listed down below. If you need IT consulting, go to williehowe.com, fill out the contact form, or click the Hire Us button, and someone will reach out to you as soon as possible. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.